Hey Nash, what should we make?
Let's test Chef Brian Tsau's secret ingredient for making orange chicken and make that.
All right, let's make orange chicken. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where sometimes we attempt to make traditional cultural recipes. Although today that's not so much the case. Today we're making orange chicken. Most people may think of orange chicken as a staple, because that it is at your local and nationwide chain fast food takeout kind of restaurants like Panda Express. However, you may know this, you may not. Orange chicken was invented by a chef named Andy Cao, who was, I believe, of Taiwanese descent. He was the chef at a Panda Express in Hawaii in 1987 and took, I believe, the recipe for a dish called orange peel chicken and made it sweeter, fried it, made it crispier, made it something that Americans would like. And thus orange chicken was born. So it's not exactly culturally Chinese, but again, it's a staple at all American Chinese takeout places, pretty much. I was watching a video with our friend, Chef Brian Tsau.
Does he know we're friends?
Well, probably not, but I know we're friends, and maybe he'll realize that eventually. I don't know. And he said, this is the secret to orange chicken.
The secret ingredient for a good orange chicken, and I swear to God, this was like this was used at many places, was Tang powder.
So we're gonna make some orange chicken, but we're actually gonna make it two ways. We're gonna do one where the sauce is orange juice based and one where the sauce is Tang based. We're gonna compare the two and see what happens. So hey, without further ado, let's go. So we start by putting on some protection.
That's what she said.
Not necessarily required. I mean, I guess salmonella can be fun. And we start with some chicken thighs. If you really wanted to use chicken breasts, I'm not gonna judge you, but you're wrong, because you should use chicken thighs. More flavor, more forgiving, just a better cut. There are certainly applications where chicken breasts make sense. This isn't one of them. So we take some chicken thighs and we cut these guys into bite-sized pieces. Got my big ass Sam the Cooking Guy knife. Yes, he's the GOAT in my mind. He's my fave. He's the one who inspired me to do what I'm doing now. Anyways, just get these all cut up into, just think of what kind of pieces do you want to take a bite of, and do that. And then if you want to trim a little bit of the fat, go ahead. It's totally up to you, because honestly, fat is flavor, so don't cut all of it off. But if you got like a big gnarly piece like this, go ahead and get rid of it. But other than that, nah, just kind of keep it. It's kind of good. I would say cut whatever the size is that you'd like in your mouth, but I can only make one That's What She Said joke per episode, so I'm just gonna let you do that. So we're gonna do a head-to-head of real orange juice-based orange chicken versus Tang-based orange chicken. But the first few steps are the same, so we're keeping all of our chicken together. So here's our chicken. I'm not making a ton because it's just me and Nash, so I don't need to. But hey, if you want to, go ahead. You're just gonna want to double, triple, quadruple this recipe. So with our chicken, we are going to put in a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, followed by a tablespoon or 2 of water. And this is just the velveting technique. So this is just going to sort of tenderize that chicken, allow it to become more tender and just a better product. This is what a lot of Chinese and actually a lot of Asian restaurants and probably a lot of all restaurants in general, this is how they make cuts of meat taste much better than they should. So adopt this technique because it's worth it. So then we're gonna set this aside. So then we gotta make our batters. We're gonna go in with a cup of flour, a cup of cornstarch, a little bit of salt, some white pepper. You could use black pepper if that's all you have. Don't worry about it. 1 egg, and about a cup of water. Then we get this all mixed up. Make sure your egg is nicely beaten and combined. And we're looking for something just slightly thinner than a pancake batter. And then we're gonna add a little bit of oil. Mix that up. And as soon as you have something a little bit thinner than pancake batter, we are good to go. Then we add our chicken to this and get these guys separated. Make sure every little piece is getting coated with the batter. And we set this aside. Then with some fry oil at 350, we go ahead and drop these guys in, and you're gonna wanna probably fry these guys in batches because we don't wanna crowd the pan. Then you wanna fry them till golden brown, about 5 minutes-ish, something around there. So just kinda keep them moving around because that's, in a deep fry, that's kinda all you can do. If you're shallow frying this, then you wanna just kinda flip them when the bottom side is golden brown. How you wanna do this is totally up to you. Doesn't really matter, honestly. A shallow fry would work just fine. And once you guys have a nice golden brown exterior and the chicken's all the way cooked through, then we can pull these out, remove them, and put them either in paper towel or on like a wire rack so that the oil can drain. Ranged attacks! Ranged attacks! No! And with our chicken cooked, we have to make our sauce. So we're gonna make 2 sauces exactly the same except for the orange juice. So for the first one, we're gonna go in with a little bit of orange juice, a little bit of Shaoxing wine, rice vinegar, soy sauce, and some corn syrup. If you don't have corn syrup, just use sugar, it'll be fine. And there you have your sauce base. I'm gonna add a few things that are extra. So this is just for me because I'm making this for me. So I'm gonna do a little bit of fish sauce. Fish sauce goes a long way. A little bit of pixie dust. Again, same thing. And because I want it a little spicy, I'm gonna add a little bit of chili garlic paste. And we just mix this up. And then for our other one, we're gonna do the same thing. And maybe I should mix this with water, but I feel like there's enough liquid in there where I'm just gonna throw in the Tang powder and mix this up. So you could literally do this in a bowl without any heat, but I have, if you want to do it the right way, I think this is the right way. I don't know. Chef Brian, let me know. So we got a wok on high heat. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of oil. Oh yeah, there we go. Apparently I had that on high heat for a little too long. We want to throw in some minced garlic and some minced ginger. I have some ginger and garlic paste that I made. I'm gonna turn the heat down because apparently mine is way too hot. Then we pour in our sauce. Yeah, I definitely burned some of that garlic and ginger. Sorry, my bad. So then we throw our half of our chicken in there. Then we just toss that for a few seconds, get your chicken covered. Clearly, I am not an Asian chef. Then we get our chicken out. For our Tang one, we add some oil. Then we add some of our garlic and ginger paste. We get that cooked a little bit. Then we add our Tang sauce. Get that all incorporated. And then we add the other half of our chicken. Just make a huge mess of your kitchen. So that's what we're trying to do. Get everything coated, then we can kill the heat, remove our chicken. And there we have our 2 versions of orange chicken. And it's time for a bite. All right, so we're gonna taste test these guys. We're gonna go orange juice first, Tang second. So the orange juice one was the one that was more brown, didn't look quite as pretty. So we'll do that one first. Cheers. All right, it's pretty good. The flavors are a little bit muted, I would say. I mean, the sauce was mostly orange juice, but I'm still not getting a ton of that orange flavor necessarily, or like citrus flavor. It's way less sweet than Panda Express or really any Chinese takeout. So that tells me that they're putting a ton of sugar in there. I don't know if I said this or not. I'm not a huge fan of orange chicken. I think it's too sweet. This is actually really good. It's way less sweet. The flavors are good. They're balanced, but again, not getting a huge amount of that like citrus orange chicken or orange taste in the chicken. So let's try the Tang one. Cheers. Well, Brian, you were right. The Tang it's a totally different flavor. You get that same balance of sort of sweet, sour, umami, savory, but for some reason it just looks way prettier. It's got that orange color and the citrus just comes through. It's bright, it's delicious, and again, way less sweet than like any of your takeout Chinese. So they're obviously putting a ton more sugar or corn syrup in there, and that's fine. If you're into that, cool. This actually works way better for me. So I'd say they're both good. The Tang one is objectively better. So thanks, Brian, for letting us know the secret. And now you all know the secret that orange chicken is best made with Tang powder. Keep that in mind, I guess, out of 10. That's what I think, but hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey, bud, how you doing?
I'm good, man. Just been studying up on philosophy so I can keep giving more awesome life advice.
Well, check it out. We made this orange chicken that you wanted, and we made it both ways. And of course, both of them are dog friendly. So here you go. First, we got the orange juice version.
That's pretty good. Definitely has a more balanced flavor and less sweetness than the takeout stuff.
And here's the Tang version.
Oh, that one is way better.
What do you think?
They're both really good and better than most takeout, but Chef Brian was spot on. The Tang one is undeniably the winner.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
It's the people no one imagines anything of who do the things that no one can imagine.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, both are good, but Chef Brian Sal, you were right. The Tang is better. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second, go like, share, subscribe, comment, hype, all that good stuff. Hit the bell for notifications. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. And hey, if you like this video, go check out some of our other awesome videos somewhere around here. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.